guys, it's Monica, and today I have 2 Target beauty boxes for you for the month of April because they decided to have 2 beauty boxes for the month of April. So, of course, I got them both because I couldn't decide. So, and it's been a bit since I ordered them because I ordered them before we moved, and that's been over a month since I placed the order and we've moved, and I don't remember what was in the boxes, so I have nothing on my face today because I thought that if there's something in them that I can try on camera, I will. And so I'm going to open up both boxes, and then if there's anything I can try on camera, I'm going to. Like lotions, serums, any kind of beauty products, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. So that's why I'm not wearing any makeup. I didn't just, decide to be lazy today. Although, there's nothing wrong with that either. So, but the first one looks like this. It's got this cute honeycomb pattern on it. So it makes me think it's got like a. There was one that was like a Au Naturel palette, and the other one was like a. I want to say it was like a beauty palette. I think. I don't know. I can't remember. Sorry, guys. But, yeah, it says Au Naturel Beauty and right here on top. So, this one, it has a, use the Target app to get a deal on the bottom instead of a coupon this month. So, alright, let's see what we've got. Ooh, right on top here, we have some, I know I'm going to say this wrong, Schmidt's Cedarwood+juniper natural soap. Now, I just recently tried focus camera. There we go. I just recently tried a natural deodorant from this brand, and I really like it. It's in a bergamot and lime scent. So, I'm excited to try this. I've never tried a natural soap. So, I'm excited to try that. Okay, next we have by Shea Moisture an African black soap clarifying face wash and scrub. So that's what this looks like. Let's see if, let me take the seal off. I'll get a little bit out and see what the texture's like and what it smells like. All of that good stuff. Not too much. Okay, that's what it looks like. And it is kind of gritty. Not super gritty though, just a little bit of grit to it. And it has a I don't know what that scent is. It's it's not a bad smell. It's a nice smell. It's just I don't know that I've never smelled anything like that, but it's not bad. Feels like it would be really gentle on your face. It would exfoliate, but in a gentle way. It's not. I've used much harsher exfoliators for sure, but yeah. So I'm excited about that. That seems pretty cool. All right, from Love, Beauty, and Planet, we have a hand lotion. I'll put that on in a minute and let you know how it feels. I want to get everything out of the box and see what it is first before I get my hands all greasy to where I can't open anything again. From the good stuff, we have Complete Repair Balm No Rinse Conditioner. So this is what this looks like. That's what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. It reminds me of Herbal Essences conditioner. That smells good. Oh, another one from Love, Beauty, and Planet is, what is this? Muru. I'm gonna slaughter this. I did it with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer every time. It's that Muru Butter and Rose Blooming Strength and Shine 2-minute magic mask. So this is a mask for your hair. This is a hefty mask. I mean, there's a lot of product in here. You would definitely get, if you have thin hair like me, you get, I would say, at least 3 uses out of this. If you have really thick hair, even, you could get 2 out of it, I think. Unless your hair is really, really long, and then you would only get 1. But it's a really good size sample. And then from Burt's Bees, we got Enamel Care Fluoride Toothpaste in Mountain Mint. Let's see what this smells like. If it truly smells like Mountain Mint. Whatever Mountain Mint is supposed to smell like. It smells very minty. I didn't even know Burt's Bees made toothpaste. But I'll be happy to try that out and let you guys know what I think about it. So, now, let's try out this hand lotion from Love, Beauty, and Planet. Of course, it's got one of these little stickers on top. I know these are to show that it's, unused and hygienic. Dadgummit, I think they're just put on there to annoy me. Oh, this smells nice. I'm just gonna get a little low because I have a whole nother box to open. It's got like a light coconut smell, like coconut and vanilla. Oh, I only needed a little. It's very moisturizing. It rubs in nicely. It's not greasy at all. It's nice. very nice. I like that lotion. That's gonna go in. I don't carry a purse. I actually carry a crossover body bag because I carry everything for my family when I go out. So that's going in my bagalini. Okay, the second box, I started to just take the top off and not even show you what the box looks like. This is what the second box looks like. Okay. And it is called April Showers. So this makes me think this box is going to be stuff for the bathroom. Alright. Inside, first thing on top, we have Dove Refresh and Care Fullness and Volume Dry Shampoo. I love me a good dry shampoo. If my hair wasn't already up, I would spray this in my hair, but it's such a pain to put my hair back up. I'm not going to try that out on camera. Oh, alright, here we go. Some Degree Ultra Clear black+white dry spray deodorant. Alright. Let's try this. Well, let's get started first. It smells good. Yep. Smells good. Goes on clear, like it says. Another toothpaste. Crest 3D White. This is actually what my kids like to use, so I know what this smells like. This is the Brilliance one though. This is actually the one that's even whiter. So I'm not going to open that one. From Bliss, we got that's incredi-peel Spa Strength Glyconic. Hello. Oh, these are glyconic resurfacing pads to smooth and brighten. So that's what these are. How many pads are in here? Oh, there's one pad in here. Why does it say pad if there's one pad? I don't know why companies do that. It's a glyconic peel pad in here. From Bedhead, there's the After Party smoothing cream. So just a little whites are trying to kind of wash it out. A little sample of that. But I mean, really, of this stuff, you only need like maybe that much if you have hair like mine. Maybe not even that much. So there's quite a few uses in this. So that's a pretty good size sample. And then the last thing in the box, it says Puffy Eye Attack Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. It looks like this. It's kind of cute. I gotta say, I kind of like the other box better. Is there a coupon on this one? Yeah, there was a $3 coupon on this one. I like the Au Naturel box better, but I'm glad I got both of them, because if I had just picked the other one like I started to, then I wouldn't have gotten all this stuff in the Au Naturel box that I'm excited to try. So I'm glad I went ahead and picked up both boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the April Target beauty boxes, and I hope you will subscribe if you're not already, because why not, and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload. And I hope you'll hit the like button so YouTube knows I'm doing something right, because I hope I am. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.